Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In this video, we will explain about the DC motor project that we have made. Before explaining further, introduce our group consisting of two people. My name, Vinando Ilham, with name 007, and my colleague.
My name is Kevin Bayu, with name 009.
For the next, we made indirect input for 15-volt DC motor speed controller using Bluetooth software and with a program from Arduino IDE.
Okay, before we go to the Arduino software, I will be explain about the logic gate for this project. The first one is this logic gate. If the input power is low and then the rotation is low also, the result of the motor will be turned off. And the second input, if input power if low and then the rotation high, the result of the motor will be also turned off. The next is if the input power is high and then the input rotation is low, the motor DC will be rotate counterclockwise. And then for the last one, if the input power is high and then the rotation power is high also, the result of the motor DC will be rotate clockwise. Okay, after we run about the logic gate, we move to the Arduino for the programming.
Okay, Arduino IDE is a software that is used to write, compile, and upload program code to an Arduino microcontroller board. Here's the program that we use with the power pin 13 and rotation pin 12 as it output switch pin 0 and motor pin 1 as its input. The first condition is when the input value of the on-off switch is high. It will change the output power pin to high, which make the motor rotate. The second condition, when the on-off switch input value is low, it will change the output power pin to low, which make the motor not rotate. The third condition, when the motor input value is high, it will change the rotation pin output to hex, which make the motor rotate clockwise. The fourth condition, when the motor input value is low, it will change the rotation pin output to low, which makes the motor rotate counterclockwise. Next, my friend will explain about Proteus software.
Okay, for the next is Proteus software for the simulation this project. On this Proteus, we will be make an input from this switch with indirect condition, indirect input. This is for the active high indirect, and the switch number 2 is for the active low indirect. This switch number 1 is functionally for the motor turn on or turn off. If 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 this switch high, the motor will be turned on, and if low is the motor will be turned off. And the second switch, this functionally for the rotation of the motor. This, if the high, the motor will be rotate clockwise. If low, the motor will be rotate clockwise. Okay, this for the input. This is for the motor on turn on. This relay for the motor turn on or turn off, and then this second relay is for the rotation of the motor. Okay, we will be run the simulation. Okay, because the switch number 1 is still low, the motor is turned off, not rotating. We will be try to the open to the high this switch. The motor is will be turned the counterclockwise. This motor counterclockwise because this switch is low, will be changed to the high. The motor will be turned to the clockwise. Nah, is okay. And then the next is this is for the indicator of the motor is rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. This is will be on if the motor turn clockwise, and then turn off is if the motor turn counterclockwise. And this LED is for indicator if the motor is turn on or turn off. Okay, this motor is as the input power is 15 volt from this battery. Okay, thank you for watching for my video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.